Sunbird products for the last 5 years on the farm. We've just upgraded and built new houses on the farm as well, which we've gone Sunbird products as well. The original house that we did 5 years ago is still in perfect running condition. We've never replaced a light bulb in it. We've never had any problems in it. Our new houses, we've gone for the same option, dusk to dawn dimmers in them. The result of that is our chickens are healthier, better, less scratches on them. We're finding that it causes less problems in the house by having that system. System is easy, it's effective, and generally very low maintenance on the systems themselves. Honestly couldn't think of going back to the original systems, any system. The initial outlay might be, costly to anybody, but once the system is actually in, it is so efficient, minimum maintenance on it. I don't think anybody should not have these lights in their houses.